Super rare, and with an especially interesting history, we're delighted to offer, in concours condition, this exciting convertible. A factory-built, wide-bodied Virage Volante with the famed 6.3 litre engine and 5-speed manual gearbox. Finished in Galloway Green with Green Connolly hides and a Dark Green Mohair hood. Hand-built by Aston Martin in 1992, chassis 003 was the launch car for the 2+2 Virage Volante displayed by Aston Martin at the 1992 Geneva Motor Show. Finished in Giallo Fly with tan hides and with manual transmission. This ex-factory owned Virage Volante was subsequently sold by Aston Martin directly to form part of the renowned Brunei collection, after being extensively rebuilt by Aston Martin into its current and ultimate Virage configuration, becoming the first of just 19 Virage Volantes built to full 6.3 litre wide body specifications. Returning to the Newport Pagnell Works in 1998 for refurbishment, all later specification braking, suspension, wheel and tyre equipment, transmission, interior fittings and instrumentation were simultaneously applied and the car equipped with the latest ABS and airbag safety systems. Remaining in climate-controlled storage in the UK, this ultimate specification Virage Volante was subsequently resold and UK registered in 1999, having covered a mere 100 miles. The second owner, a long-term Aston Martin enthusiast, covered just 20,000 miles over his 19 years of ownership, with all services and maintenance having been carried out by Aston Martin main agents. In 2016, this car was sold to a collector who commissioned refurbishment works, including a full-body bare metal repaint in Aston Martin Galloway Green, a new tailored woven fabric roof covering, and the engine removed, dismantled, rebuilt and dynamometer tested. A printed dyno sheet dated 2020 included in the extensive history file records 490 brake horsepower at 6,200 rpm, with a maximum torque of 4,500 rpm of 443 foot-pounds. The last owner, a prominent AMOC member, carried out a number of discrete upgrades, and a detailing program has latterly been carried out to its current concours winning standards. Chosen by the discerning selection committee of the prestigious 2023 Concours of Elegance held at Hampton Court Palace for inclusion in their main concours car display, as well as having recorded class wins at AMOC organised concours events as recently as 2022, we do not know of any finer example of this model to exist. With its extreme rarity, prodigious performance, its outstanding concours condition, low mileage, and with its Geneva Motor Show credentials, this reference quality example of the 6.3 litre Virage Volante, an iron fist in a velvet glove, undoubtedly qualifies as the best in breed and is likely to be unrepeatable at the price level being sought. A highly detailed and leather-bound vehicle history file included with the car contains all history details, including the original build record, invoices and correspondence for the factory upgrades and services, multiple photographs of the recent engine refresh, and bare metal repaint, including re-veneering of the interior finishes and the convertible hood replacement. Supplied with a spare key set, owner's manual, Virage technical guide and parts manual, an original 1992 sales brochure and photographs taken at the Geneva Motor Show, as well as an Aston Martin car cover. An attractive, model-relevant cherished registration number is also available by separate negotiation. This car is now available for viewing and demonstration at our Hertfordshire showrooms.